everybody! Today we have just finished reading for Writer's Workshop, The Invisible String. Oh my goodness, I love that story. I want to ask you, now that we've read the book, I want to ask you, what is attached to that invisible heartstring of yours? So you have your very own heartstring, right? Where is it attached to? Well, for me, it's for my students, it's attached to my students, and it's attached to my kiddos, my babies, Sebastian and Suri. So, we're gonna get started. Remember, good writers first think what they're gonna write about. And so we are going to think first about it, and I've thought about it. My heartstring is attached to Sebastian and Suri, but also my beautiful students who I miss so dearly. And now I have to think about sentences that I'm going to write. So I think I'm going to say, my heartstring is attached to my students and kids. Now, are we ready, cameraman? Let's go here. I'm going to use some cereal to count my words. My heartstring is attached to my students and kids. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in my sentence. 10 words in my sentence. So, I have your different color markers because what I'm going to do is I am going to use a different color to write lines for my words. So, my heartstring. Let's start with the word my. I'm going to remove this word my and put a line under here. We might have to scoot some words over. That's okay. So, is my a snap word? Yes, it is. And then I look at my snap words. And I'm going to write my. And we always start a sentence with an uppercase. So my, M-Y, my heart. Remove that. A line, oh, finger space, heart, art. My heartstring, let's remove the word string, finger space, string, okay. String. So string starts with a blend. I learned this on Monday. S-T for E-E-E. Well, the letter I goes String. String. My heartstring is, let's remove the word is, it is, oh wait, I don't have to sound that out because it's a snap word. My heartstring is attached. That's a very big word, guys. Let me use the word, my heartstring is, I'm just gonna write attached. Let's move attached. Give me this, S-H-I-T.
Right.
It is attached. So let's write the word attached. Attach. Hey, I know 2 letters. That's a diagram that goes ch, ch. Do you remember? Ch, 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 ch. C and H. Attached. D. There we go. So that's how I wrote it. Hey, I heard all of the sounds and I wrote them down. So my heartstring is attached to, oh, that's easy. 2 is a snap word. T-O. My heartstring is attached to my, that's another snap word and I wrote it up here. M-Y. Hey, do you notice that each time that I finish writing a word, I go back to the beginning? That's so that I don't make a mistake. So, my heartstring is attached to my students. Ooh, I hear a blend. Like string. S-T. St. Students. Students. My heartstring is attached to my students and is a snap word, A-N-D, to my students and kids. Kids. And I'm gonna end it with an exclamation mark because I'm so excited. My heartstring is attached to my students and kids. And the last thing we're going to do is we got to draw our picture. Our picture, our illustration has to match our sentence, right? Our story. So I'm gonna draw Miss Avila and how we draw people. We start with an oval and then a rectangle for the body. You could do a trapezoid for the skirt or 2 rectangles for pants. There we go. And then some hands here. And I'm gonna draw a string with a heart, right? And then I'm gonna put my beautiful students' faces right here. I can't put all of them, so I'm just gonna put like boys and girls. And oh yeah, and my kids too, my babies, Sebastian and Suri.
What about the eyes?
And so then we don't forget the details. We cannot forget the details. So we draw eyes and noses. And I'm not gonna draw bodies on the kids. I'm gonna just put them here like I'm thinking of you guys, right? So I have like this bubble thinking thought, right? And then we can't forget details. So let me put, where am I? Because those are the questions. Where are you? What are you doing? And, oh, what's the other one, you guys? Where are you? What are you doing? And what happened in the story? Okay. And then let's draw some clouds. And then I'll take a picture to show you my last thing. The last thing that I want you to do is I want you to label. So I'm gonna put heartstring, and I'm gonna put an arrow pointing to it, and then I'm gonna put me. This is me. I want you guys to know that that's me, and these are my students. Students. And then I'm gonna put, it's important to label. So guys, this is it for Writer's Workshop. I can't wait to read your beautiful work, and I love you and I miss you. Bye-bye.